Welcome to 40 Park Avenue in Los Gatos. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment for rent. So as we come in here, we have the living space. Really spacious living room with tons of natural light and 1-inch blinds. Have a hardwood floor and fresh paint. Here you have the dining area, which brings us to the kitchen. The other side of the kitchen here we have utility room with a little bit of storage. And another shot of the kitchen here. Back in the hall here, you have the bedroom. Two closets. And lots of space. And then we have the full bath here as well.